The pencil tool and the brush tool paint the foreground color on the file. The brush tool will create softer strokes in comparison to the pencil tool, which will create hard edged lines. You can select the brush tool in the toolbar, open the brush picker in the options bar, and then you will have to adjust the size and the hardness using the options bar and the sliders in the options bar. Some of the options that are given for the brush tool are the size of the brush, the softness and the hardness of the brush. You can also adjust the opacity. Now you can choose one by one the different brushed styles, and you can try painting it on your canvas and see how they appear. So you can see that I am reducing the opacity of the brush tool and trying out all the different brush styles. You can also change the blending modes of the brush in the options bar. I am trying with the normal mode. Now one by one I am going to try the different modes like dissolve, luminosity, saturation, exclusion, and many other different blend modes. The Sharpen tool causes each pixel to become more different from its neighbors than it was previously. It is just the opposite of the blur tool. The blur tool causes each pixel to be affected by the brush and to be blended with the neighboring pixels, whereas the Sharpen tool does exactly as its name implies. It will sharpen up the image that is blurry or an image that is little unclear. It helps to improve the contrast of your image by darkening the dark pixels and by brightening the lighter ones. I will show you how to use the smudge tool next. The smudge tool helps by mixing the colors in the image. It is similar to moving your finger through a wet paint. You can adjust the brush size, the blend mode and the strength when you are using the smudge tool to get the desired result. You can find the gradient tool in the toolbox. Let me show you how the gradient tool works. You will find it along with the paint bucket tool. With the gradient tool, in the options bar, you can adjust the presets and also the kind of shapes you want to create with the gradient. I am going to create a new file now and apply the different shapes like linear gradient, radial gradient, diamond shaped, and many other shapes. You can also experiment with the blend modes and the opacity. Now under presets, you will find many folders like basic, blues, purples, etc. And also you can apply one color or transparent or two colors. Two colors means the foreground and the background color that you see at the bottom of the toolbar.